Do you have a voter's ID?
Yes, I do have a voter's ID.
Do you know how to make a voter's ID?
I do know how to make a voter's ID, and I am willing to help anyone in need of it.
And do you have a voter's ID?
Oh yes, of course I do.
Okay, and do you know the procedures of how to get a voter's ID?
Yes, very much, because I did it myself, so I'm very familiar with the process of how to get a voter's ID.
सर आपके पास वोटर आईडी है?
हाँ मेरे पास वोटर आईडी है।
आपको पता है कैसे लेते हैं वोटर आईडी?
हाँ मेरे को मालूम है।
I didn't want to get one, but I'm not familiar with the process yet.
आपके पास वोटर्स आईडी है?
Do you know how to get a voter's ID?
I do not.
I don't have my voter ID yet.
Yeah, we have to apply before the concerned office of the Election Commission.
If you Google Election Commission of India's online website, there will be several forms on that particular link. And if you click on form number 6 in particular, and if you fill it out and submit it, then your name will be added in the waiting list, and you'll be able to get your own voter ID made.
Thank you so much for informing me.
Do you think your individual vote matters?
I think our individual vote matters a lot because it goes a long way in bringing about change in the leadership at both the local and central government level.
It matters in the sense that if we don't vote, we are not taking our voice heard, and it is important that every citizen in the country knows that their voice is heard.
तो अभी जो इलेक्शंस आएंगे आप उसमें वोट करने जाओगे?
जाएगी।
तो आपको क्या लगता है आपका वोट मैटर करता है?
करती है।
अच्छा, और अगर आप नहीं करोगे तो फिर क्या होगा?
नम्स आएगी, 5 साल बाद में आती है, एक बार ही तो वोट देना ही पड़ती है।
अच्छा,
उसको जरूरी होती है।
Would you like to take part in the upcoming elections as a voter?
Yes, I will.
Will you vote in the upcoming elections?
Yes. Once I'm eligible to vote, yes.
I will vote once I'm eligible.
I will definitely. Why do you think that participating in elections is important?
It's basically representatives coming into power, and the representatives will be taking the decisions on your behalf. So in order to make the society a better place, you need to act responsibly and cast your vote accordingly.
Do you think it is absolutely necessary to vote in elections?
I think it is necessary. If you want to choose your leaders, it is absolutely necessary.
Do you think there is a consequence of someone not voting in the election?
Yes, there are several horrible consequences, like we would be ruled by leadership that doesn't reflect our values and doesn't stand for what we stand for.
Under the law, there is only as such consequences a person if is not going to vote. But I think it's a duty and obligation of every citizen to cast his vote and exercise his democratic right.
Do you know how to cast a vote in case your voter ID is lost?
In case the voter ID is lost, then if my name is there in the electoral roll, then I can visit the booth, show my ID card like Aadhaar or like PAN card or passport so that the polling officer identify that I am the same person, and then they can permit me to cast the vote.
आपको पता है कि अगर आपके पास वोटर आईडी नहीं है तो आप वोट कैसे कर सकते हैं? तो अगर आपके पास वोटर आईडी नहीं है, उसके लिए वोट करने के लिए आपको एज अ वोटर रजिस्टर्ड होना होगा इलेक्शन कमीशन में, और आपको कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स चाहिए होंगे, जैसे कि आपका पासपोर्ट साइज फोटो, पैन कार्ड, ड्राइवर्स लाइसेंस, और इन सब के वजह से आपको एक वोटर का स्लिप मिलेगा, उससे आप वोट कर सकते हैं बिना वोटर आईडी। तो समझ लो कि आपकी वोटर आईडी खो गई, तो वोटर आईडी के बिना आपको वोट करना आता है?
नहीं देगा, कुछ नहीं देगा।
अच्छा, तो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि जब आपकी वोटर आईडी खो जाती है, आपको नहीं मिलती, तो कैसे करते हैं। तो एक
इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से आपको एक वोटर स्लिप मिलता है, जो एक तरीके का प्रूफ है कि आपका नाम वोटर्स लिस्ट में है। तो उसके साथ कोई आइडेंटिटी कार्ड जैसे आधार कार्ड होगा आपके पास, वो दोनों चीज़ें एक्ट करती हैं एज अ वोटर्स आईडी, और आप उसकी तरफ से फिर वोट कर सकते हैं।
So we interviewed people belonging to different economical and social backgrounds and asked them about their views on politics. If there's one thing in common between a 16-year-old student or a 40-year-old financially independent individual whom we have interviewed, it can be seen that even though most of us do want to see the change, we do want to vote and are aware of the consequences of not voting, but not all of us are educated enough about how to get a voter ID or what to do if the voter ID is lost on the day of voting. We are well aware of the fact that India is considered as one of the largest democracies in the world. In the 2019 elections, the voter turnout in India was just 67%, which means that approximately 61 crore citizens out of 91 crore citizens chose to vote. There's still a large number of people who have to educate themselves about elections and voting.
Every election is determined by the number of people who show up. This number is called voters' turnout. So let's have a look at the voters' turnout of different states of India. In the previous elections, Tamil Nadu recorded the highest voter turnout as well as had the most amount of female voters as compared to the other states. Whereas the states of Maharashtra, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh recorded the lowest voter turnout, despite the fact that they are more developed states in India. We need to understand that somewhere inside of all of us is the power to change the world. And we can exercise this power by casting a vote and increasing the voter turnout in our regions.
We can see that a lot of people do not vote in the elections because of lost vote. That means that people do not vote thinking that their vote does not matter. The slide shows the percentage of people of different age groups who do not vote because of this very reason. We can observe that very large percentage of people do not vote just by thinking that their single vote could not make a difference in the elections. However, this thinking is not right because each and every vote matters and each and every vote has got equal value. So we should always vote in the elections as an active citizen of the country, and to make this democracy successful, we can just indirectly participate in the elections through voting.
India has an active voting population of about 914 million people. And even though the 2019 Lok Sabha elections witnessed a 67% turnout, which is higher than the country has ever had in its entire history, there are still about 315 million people who are not casting their vote. So where does this gap come from? Why does it even exist in the first place? One of the most prevalent reasons for this gap is that even though India is the largest democracy in the world, still a huge chunk of our population is living in conditions of extreme poverty. In order to make a democracy successful, we must be a nation of participants and not mere observers. One who does not vote has no right to complain.
As responsible citizens of this great nation, it is our duty to cast our vote and elect the political leaders we want to govern the nation. To cast this vote, we need to have a voter ID. The ID indicates that you are an Indian citizen above the age of 18 years listed in the electoral rolls. An electoral roll is a compilation that lists people who are entitled to vote for a particular election in a particular jurisdiction. Your name might be removed from the electoral roll if you have changed a residential address within the constituency or have moved to a different constituency. It might also have to do with a genuine error in your name while registering, for which you need to rectify it by visiting the online portal of the ECI or getting a form from the ERO office and submitting the filled form to the voter center of constituency or to the BLO. Now, the voter ID card also helps in regulating fraud and streamlining the voting process, a necessary step considering the country's huge demographics. The process for applying is relatively simple and can be done online by visiting the National Voter Service portal. You're also required to submit some documents like a birth certificate, a passport copy, PAN card, etc. Now, the voters list is continuously updated till the last date of filing of nominations by the candidate. Now, you can enroll as a voter if you are an Indian citizen, if you have attained the age of 18 years on the qualifying date, that is 1st of January of the year of revision of electoral roll, or you are an ordinary resident of the part or the polling area of the constituency where you want to be enrolled. Also, you must not be disqualified to be enrolled as an elector. Now, the need of the hour is to spread awareness about this process among the populace, especially the youth and the next generation voters.
Nota is an option that was introduced by the Election Commission just prior to the 2014 general elections, allowing voters to not really give their vote to a particular candidate but still indicate their choice of not supporting a particular candidate while still casting a vote. The percentage of the people resorting towards this opinion indicates the condition of India's democracy, but virtually they do not really have an impact on the results of the election.
We all want changes, but we don't want to be the change maker. We all want changes, but we do not want to play our part in bringing about that change. We do not exercise our right and our fundamental duty to vote. The choice is in our hands. Either we can vote and make an informed decision and be governed by the leaders of our choice that meet our expectations and our wants, or just simply give up the hope for change. So, let's come together and take a pledge to vote. I, an Indian citizen, take oath that I will exercise my valuable right given by the Constitution of India of casting my vote. I will also make all possible efforts to use my vote to elect a representative who would meet nation's expectations. I take oath that I would encourage other people to vote with awareness.
Yes, together we can make it possible because every vote counts.
Together,
Together,
we can bring about change.
because you matter.
because you matter, your vote matters.